y'all, welcome back to another vlog. Happy Friday. So the water almost dry out. So I'm gonna add in the black beans. So guys, we put in the butter already, the salt, even the onion. Woo! Oh man, not go open at me, yay. Alright, I add in the black bean. Mm. Alright, so I stir it in now, guys. Mm-hmm. So if you never used black beans before, you need to try it. I picked it up at the supermarket. So I add a little bit more water to the pot. Alright, that will do. Now, want too much water in it figure spoil it because I'm gonna cook egg feeding. I'm gonna eat egg feeding. Yeah. Cover it down. Put on the next pot same time. So look at black beans with sardine. Put it in the oil. Take time and eat up. Onion, garlic, piece of pepper. So I'm going to throw in 2 sardines. This is a Brunswick sardine in soya oil. Throw in some black pepper. Alright, so the sardine pot ready. Black bean rice pot ready too. Yeah, I need to have a rice and peas look. Yeah. Plate 1 and plate 2. I don't know the excitement for outside guys. Egg must lay. I don't know. Right? I'm gonna show it them here quick and fast, guys. Guys, as me used to look at dirty clothes, you know, it I forget read at the same time. So guys, the other day I put on a dress I go up on the road. I know so a man tell me my breast them look fake. These men don't know fake from real, or some of these men. And people with fake body, they might tell them so their body real. Yes, so it look like I made him go do breast surgery when I think my breast them fake. No audacity, man. In my life, be there for you all the time. I'm dreaming of you. Of you. Ricky shaky man. So I'm gonna replace this Ricky. You're not the only dreamer. Because I'm a lonely man. My love for you strong. I'll never do you wrong. You're my future plan. God's greatest gift to man. 1 in a million. Dreaming it every night. Close my eyes. I'm dreaming of you in my life. I'm dreaming of you. I'm dreaming of you. Of you. All the time I'm dreaming of you in my life. I'm dreaming of you. Yeah, music I play, so might as well sing to it and try rock to it. Drive you crazy, always on my mind. Baby, can I be a bona fide? I wanna be with you. If we can be, you may drive me crazy, always on my mind. Baby, can I be a bona fide? If you could be, you made my dream come true. Right. Alright, empty out this and rinse it again. Pretty power on the phone screen. Damn, so pretty.